Good morning. Welcome to Mecklenburg County State of the County Address. As Chairman of the Board of County Commissioners, I consider it an honor and a privilege to continue in this long-standing tradition. This time last year, I presented the State of the County Address before an audience at the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Government Center, just as I had in years past. Unbeknown to anyone, life in Mecklenburg County was about to change. 3 weeks after my speech, Mecklenburg County confirmed its first positive case of COVID-19, joining the long list of cities, towns, and counties in the United States and abroad to be impacted by the deadly virus. Now, 1 year later, more than 96,313 people have tested positive for COVID-19, and more than 869 have lost their lives due to the virus. The lives of mothers and fathers, sons and daughters, neighbors and friends, gone from us forever, but never forgotten. May the light of their love never go dim. Let us pause for a moment of silence in honor of those we have lost. Thank you. COVID-19 has presented many challenges within our community, from changing the way we conduct our daily lives to how we interact with one another. The past year has been a test of our will and has challenged our resiliency. I personally want to thank County Manager Dina Diorio and her staff for their commitment to the community throughout the course of the pandemic. Our Public Health Director, Gibby Harris, and her staff has worked hand in hand with our county manager to provide guidance and direction for our residents, while partnering with municipalities both locally and statewide to combat a common foe. Your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Thank you for bringing us to a place that many have longed to see, and that is distribution of COVID-19 vaccine. Mecklenburg County received its first shipment of Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine on December 22nd and administered the first dose on the very next day to Public Health Immunization Program Manager Jeannie Williams. 20 additional people received their first dose of the vaccine on the same day. And in the days and weeks that followed, our public health staff have worked countless hours to administer the vaccine to eligible groups as determined by state health officials, beginning with healthcare workers and staff and residents at long-term care facilities, to our most vulnerable residents, the elderly, our teachers, child care workers, and school staff. As of February 27th, more than 102,630 people have received the first dose of the vaccine. This number does not include doses provided in long-term care facilities or through the federal pharmacy program. Our public health department is working expeditiously to assure that the vaccine is available across all communities in Mecklenburg County by joining with local partners to spread the word about the vaccine's safety, effectiveness, and availability, especially in communities where hesitancy or obstacles may exist. But we cannot claim victory yet. Health officials have estimated that 65 to 85% of the community must be vaccinated in order to achieve herd immunity. So while we are making progress, there is still a long way to go. Meanwhile, Mecklenburg County will remain committed to making every resource available in order to win the fight against COVID-19. Despite the many challenges COVID-19 has presented over the last year, the state of Mecklenburg County remains strong. Mecklenburg County's unemployment rate is slowly trending down. At the height of the pandemic, Jobless claims rose around the globe as the crippling effect of COVID-19 rippled through communities both large and small. Mecklenburg County was no different. By May of 2020, the county's unemployment rate had increased to 13.6%, with 82,053 people unemployed. But today, I'm happy to announce that the trend is slowly changing as more residents gain employment opportunities. In December, the county's unemployment rate was down to 6.1%, and new opportunities are ahead as Mecklenburg County continues to attract new businesses. In 2020, Mecklenburg County had 5 major announcements from businesses committed to bringing new jobs to the area. Arrival, Centene Corporation, Chima Solutions, Gladfelter Company, and Tranzact Insurance Solutions, LLC, all announced plans to create new opportunities in Mecklenburg County by creating more than 3,957 jobs combined. And Mecklenburg County continues to be the home